Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to access the Chrome Privacy Guide on your PC. The Chrome Privacy Guide provides valuable information and settings to enhance your online privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC by clicking on its icon in the taskbar or desktop. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, click on the More button. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. Within the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the Privacy Guide section. Click on it to access the Chrome Privacy Guide. By following these 5 simple steps, you can easily access the Chrome Privacy Guide on your PC. Take control of your online privacy and explore the various settings and tips provided in the guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials and tips.